I sneezed, and in that moment I felt as if my soul almost left my body. As the ghost floated above me, I couldn't help but laugh at the absurdity of it all, wondering what my cat thought of this peculiar occurrence. With a playful grin, I waved at the ghost, inviting it back to my side, feeling grateful that my soul had chosen to stay. In that moment, I realized that life is too short to take seriously, and even a sneeze could lead to a delightful encounter with the unexpected. As we danced together, it felt like time itself had stopped reminding me that every sneeze could be a chance for joy and unexpected friendships.